Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to start and run your remote business. So you might be wondering what to do after forming your Delaware LLC. Once your LLC is formed, you should be aware of the maintenance fees associated with operating your business in the state of Delaware. You should note that there is an annual fee. Delaware LLCs are required to file an annual tax, which amounts to $300 annually, regardless of level of income and business activity. This requirement is to keep your company in compliance. You must pay this tax by June 1st. Your first payment is due the calendar year following the year your LLC was approved. Notices are sent to the registered agents every year. We recommend you set up a calendar reminder because there is a $200 penalty fee for late payments and non-payments, and 1.5% interest is accrued every month that tax isn't paid. Depending on your industry and business, additional tax and regulatory requirements may apply to your LLC, which may include getting an EIN. This is your business's social security number. It's free to get on the IRS website. Business licenses. Your LLC may need to obtain other local and state business licenses. The easiest way to get the necessary authorization is through Delaware's one-stop business registration and licensing service. Gross receipts tax. This refers to the total amount received from sale of goods or services sold by the business within Delaware. Depending on your location and who you're selling to, you may or may not be subject to this tax. For more information, visit the Delaware Department of Revenue website. And there you have it. You're ready to embark on your new business venture. If you have any more questions, just reach out with a question below. You can also visit our website to learn more.